Welcome to Money Control's election wrap. Here are the top headlines of the day. BJP is planning to retain the coveted post of Speaker in the new Lok Sabha and is unlikely to give it to NDA partners like JDU or TDP. Wayanad or Rai Bareli? Rahul Gandhi put a stop to all the suspense. BJP announced its election in charges for the upcoming assembly elections in Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Jammu Kashmir. Ravindra Vaikar, the Shiv Sena MP, is at the centre of EVM hacking row. Bengal governor asks on duty corps to vacate Raj Bhavan after Suvendu Adhikari claims poll victims were denied entry. Let's take a closer look at these developments now. BJP is planning to retain the coveted post of Speaker in the new Lok Sabha and is unlikely to give it to NDA partners like JDU or TDP, News 18 reported quoting sources. Earlier, reports had indicated that Chandrababu Naidu may bargain for the Speaker's post in the lower house, since it helped BJP form the government at the centre. Sources added that BJP may offer the post of Deputy Speaker to an ally. A special 8-day session of Lok Sabha is slated to commence on June 24th, and the election for the post of Speaker is likely to be held on June 26th. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has finally ended the suspense over the Lok Sabha seat he wishes to retain, Wayanad or Rai Bareli. Rahul has retained the family bastion of Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh. As a result, his sister Priyanka Gandhi will contest from the Wayanad seat in Kerala. Gandhi had won from both the constituencies in the recently held Lok Sabha elections. The BJP announced its election in charges for the upcoming assembly elections in Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Jammu and Kashmir. The party appointed party leaders Bhupendra Yadav and Ashwini Vaishnav as state election in charge and co-in charge for Maharashtra. In Haryana, Dharmendra Pradhan and Biplab Kumar Dev were made election in charges. BJP leaders Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Himanta Biswa Sarma are party's election in charges for Jharkhand. G. Kishan Reddy was appointed BJP election in charge for Jammu and Kashmir. The election in these states are to be held in the next 1 year. The Lok Sabha elections to the Mumbai North West seat has taken a new turn with allegations that winning Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Vaikar's relative was seen with a mobile phone at the counting centre, which was used to generate an OTP used to unlock EVM, a charge which dismissed by the returning officer. Ravindra Dattaram Vaikar contested 2024 Lok Sabha polls as a candidate of Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena from Mumbai North West seat and won by 48 votes. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has ordered on-duty personnel of Kolkata police to immediately vacate Raj Bhavan premises. The order came in the wake of allegations that the city police officers posted at the Raj Bhavan were not allowing the victims of post-poll violence in the state to meet him and update the governor about their grievances. The move comes days after the police prevented BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and alleged victims of post-poll violence in the state from entering the Raj Bhavan to meet Bose, despite the governor giving them written permission in this regard.